Good morning. Welcome to maths class. Continuation of second chapter, addition of numbers. Addition. We combine two or more numbers or putting together two or more numbers. We get the answer. That answer is called SUM sum or TOTAL total. Plus C symbol for addition. We are going to putting together. Next facts goes to addition. Facts goes to number plus 0 or 0 plus number, same total, no change in the answer. We get the same number only. Second one, number plus 1 or 1 plus number, the next number of the given number, after number of the given number. And we add two numbers or three numbers in any order, we does not get the answer. We get the same answer only. That property is called commutative property in addition. Commutative property in addition. Okay. Next, addition of two-digit numbers without regrouping, with regrouping. First, I am going to show that. See, 52 plus 43. Without regrouping of two-digit numbers. 68 plus 25. This is going to without regrouping. This is with regrouping. See, adding ones. 2 plus 3. Yes, 5. Very good. Adding tens. 5 plus 4. 5 fingers, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total is 95. Here we get single digit number right in the ones place. Now go to this. Adding ones. This is, yes, without regrouping. This is going to with regrouping. Regrouping means see. 8 plus 5. Take 8 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is a two-digit number. This is regrouping. We split the number, write ones place number ones place, tens place number carry forward to tens place and write above 6. This is carrying number. Now 1 plus 6 plus 2. 1 plus 6 plus 2. 1 plus 6, 7. Very good. Number plus 6. Next number means 6 after 7. 7 in the mind, take 2 fingers, 7 after 8, 9. This is two-digit numbers without regrouping. This is two-digit numbers with regrouping means we get two-digit number after adding ones. Okay? Split the number, ones place number right in the ones place, tens place number carry forward to tens place. Now adding these three numbers. Next one. Addition of two-digit numbers, 3 lines. Already you learned this in second class. Once again I am going to revise this. Come on, see. 3 lines, two-digit numbers. Adding ones first, then go to tens place. Start from here. First adding these two numbers. 3 plus 2. Take 3 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 8 right in the ones place. We get one digit number right here only. Now adding tens. First adding these two numbers. 3 plus 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 in the mind. 7 plus 1, 8. Okay? Two-digit numbers, 3 lines without regrouping. Now come to this. 48 plus 26 plus 15. Ones place, tens place. First adding ones. Start from here. Take 8 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 in the mind. Take 5 fingers. 14 after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We get two-digit number. Split the number, write ones place number ones place, tens place number carry forward to tens place. Now 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. This is with regrouping. Regrouping means adding ones. After adding ones, we get 2-digit number. We split the number. Ones place number ones place. Tens place number tens place. Now 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. This is 2-digit number. 3 lines without regrouping, with regrouping. Next one. 3-digit numbers. 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. 3-digit means hundreds. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. First I am going to show 3-digit number 2 lines, 3-digit number 3 lines without regrouping. Come on. 3-digit means 3 places. Yes or no? 232 plus 454. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Another one. 156, 303, 240. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 3-digit 2 lines, 3-digit 3 lines without regrouping. Ones, tens, hundreds. First number is 156. Second number is 303. Third number is 240. Come to here. First number is 232. Second number is 454. 2 lines, 3-digit number. 3-digit numbers, 3 lines. First do this. Adding ones, same process. 2 plus 4. Very good. 6. Now adding tens. 3 plus 5. 8. Very good. Adding hundreds. 2 plus 4. 6. Very good. What is the total? 686. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. 6 ones. Adding tens. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Write in the tens place. Now adding hundreds. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. What is the total? 686. Come to here. Here also adding ones. 6 plus 3, 9. Very good. Take 6 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Now adding tens. Take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No need to 0. 9. Now hundreds. 1 plus 3, 4. Very good. 4 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. What is the total? 699. Adding ones. Write in the ones place. Next adding tens. Write in the tens place. Then go to hundreds place digits. Adding these digits and write in the hundreds place. The total is 699. 2-digit number 2 lines without regrouping. 3-digit numbers 3 lines without regrouping. Understood? Next concept. 3-digit numbers with regrouping. With regrouping. 564 plus 218. This is first model. Next one. 375 plus 485. Come on. Observe both of. Start from ones. Ones, tens, hundreds. Here also. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. First adding ones. 4 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 2-digit number. Right side. Split the number. Ones place number ones place. Tens place number tens place. 2 is in the ones. Write in the ones place. 2 carry forward to tens. That means write above 6. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now adding hundreds. 5 plus 2, very good, 7. What is the total? 782. Now come to this 375 plus 485. Adding ones. 5 plus 5, 10. Very good. Take 5 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is a two-digit number. Split the number. That means ones place number right in the ones place. Tens place number carry forward to tens place. Now 0 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. Now adding tens. 1 plus 7 plus 8. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 in the mind. 8 fingers. Second number is 8. No. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 in the mind. 8 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Again we get two-digit number right side. Again split the number. This number right in the tens place. This number carry forward to hundreds place. Now 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 4 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 860. Okay. This is with regrouping. With regrouping means we get two-digit number. Split that number means ones place number ones place. Tens place number tens place. When we add tens, we get two-digit number. Ones place number right here. This number carry forward to hundreds place. Understood? Now, three-digit numbers, 3 lines with regrouping, without regrouping. First, without regrouping. Okay? 423, 540 plus 35. Next, 312 plus 235 plus 210. See, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Adding ones. 3 plus 5. Here 0 is there, no need. 3 plus 5, 8. Take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now adding tens. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9. Now adding hundreds. 4 plus 5, 9. Here this is two-digit number, no hundreds. Then add these two numbers only. 3-digit number, 3-digit number, 2-digit number. That's why we should write this number in the tens column and ones column. Now 4 plus 5, 9. Total is 998. Total is 998. Now come to here. 312, 235 plus 210. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Start adding ones. 2 plus 5, 7. Very good. Take 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. Adding tens. 1 plus 3, 4. Very good. 4 plus 1, 5. Very good. Now adding hundreds. 3 plus 2. Take 3 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. What is the total? 757. 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Here 3-digit number and 2-digit number without regrouping. Adding ones, right in the ones place. Adding tens, right in the tens place. Adding hundreds, right in the hundreds place. After doing addition, we get the answer. That answer is called total. Next one. 3-digit numbers, 3 lines with regrouping. 3-digit numbers with regrouping. Ready now? Okay. 165, 305, 213. 165 plus 305 plus 213. Ones place, hundreds place. Start from ones. Very good. 5 plus 5, 10. First add these two numbers, then go to third number. 5 plus 5, 10. Very good. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 is a two-digit number. Split the number. 3 right in the ones place. 1 carry forward to tens place. 1 carry forward to tens place. Write 1 here. Above 6. Now 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Very good. Now come to hundreds. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 4 after 5, 6. What is the total? 683. Sum. S-U-M sum. 683. If you get two-digit number, right side, split the number means ones place number right in the ones place, tens place number carry forward to tens. Now adding tens right in the tens place. Then go to hundreds place, write hundreds place numbers. Adding hundreds place number right in the hundreds place. This is going to three-digit number, 3 lines with regrouping. Another example. 248 plus 175 plus 320. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Start from ones. Very good. Take 8 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 0, 13 only. Number plus 0, same number. Split the number means ones place number in the ones place, tens place number carry forward to tens place. Write 1 here. Now adding tens. 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2. 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 7 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 2, 13, 14. Again 1 plus 4, 5. 5 in the mind. Take 7 fingers. 5 after 6, 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in the mind. Take 2 fingers. 12 after 13, 14. Again we get two-digit number. If you are writing like this, your process is wrong. Here we get two-digit number, no? Put side. Right here two-digit number. Now again split the 14. 4 right in the tens place. 1 carry forward to hundreds place. 4 right in the tens place. 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Right above 2. Now 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. What is the total? 743. Regrouping by tens and ones. Regrouping by ones, tens and hundreds. Regrouping by hundreds, tens, ones. Okay? Another example. Are you understood the concept? We get two-digit number, put side. Split the number means ones place number, ones place. Tens place number carry forward to tens. After adding tens, again we get two-digit number. Again split the number. This number right in the tens place. 1 carry forward to hundreds place. Now adding hundreds right in the hundreds place. Another examples. Now 4-digit numbers. 4-digit means starting number is 1000, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000. Yes, 9999. The smallest 4-digit number is 1000. The greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Now we are going to do addition of 4-digit numbers. First 2-digit numbers, next 3-digit numbers, now 4-digit numbers. 2-digit, without regrouping, with regrouping. 3 digit without regrouping, with regrouping. Now 4 digit. 4 digit means that numbers having, yes, 4 places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Similar to 3 digit numbers. First adding ones, write in the ones place. Next adding tens, write in the tens place. Next adding hundreds, write in the hundreds place. Then go to thousands place. Adding thousands, write in the thousands place. Okay? Come on. Look at the examples. 4 digit numbers. Addition of 4 digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping means we get single digit number only in the totals. Okay? Understood? 4 digit numbers. Addition of 4 digit numbers without regrouping. Come on, look at the examples. 3452 plus 2304. 4 digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands. Similar to 3 digit number. That means starting. Yes, start from ones place. Adding ones first. First number is 3452. Second number is 2304. Start from ones. 2 plus 4, 6. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 3. Yes, take 4 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, thousands. 3 plus 2. Take 3 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. What is the total after adding? 5756. First adding ones, write in the ones place. Next adding tens place numbers, write in the tens place. Next adding hundreds place numbers, write in the hundreds place. Then go to thousands place, adding thousands place numbers, write in the thousands place. Understood? Another example. 6050 plus 3700. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Start from ones place. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 7, 7. Number plus 0 or 0 plus number, same number. Now adding thousand. 6 plus 3. Take 6 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the total? 9750. Adding ones, write in the ones place. Adding tens, write in the tens place. Adding hundreds, write in the hundreds place. Then adding thousands, write in the thousands place. Another example. Very easy. But always addition start from ones place. 3178 plus 4801. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Same. Start from, yes, ones place. 8 plus 1, number plus 1. Next number of the given number. Here given number is 8. 8 after 9. Concept of 1, addition of 1. 7 plus 0, number plus 0, same number. 7. Now hundreds. 1 plus 8, 8 plus 1, 8 after 9. Write in the hundreds place. Now adding thousands. 3 plus 4, take 3 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7. 7 write in the thousands place. 7979. 7979. This is going to 4 digit number, 2 lines without regrouping. Another example. 3333 plus 6666. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. 3,333 plus 6,666. Adding ones. 3 plus 6, 9. Again adding 10, same numbers. 3 plus 6, 9. Now adding 10, hundreds, same numbers. Again 9. Now thousands. 3 plus 6, 9. What is the total? 9,999. This is going to greatest 4-digit number. Another example. Now I am going to show 4-digit numbers, 3 lines without regrouping. 1,345, 2,004, 3,210. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Here also adding ones. 5 plus 4. Take 5 fingers. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. Write in the ones place. Now adding tens. 4 plus 1. No need to add 0. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 after 5. Now adding hundreds. 3 plus 2. Take 3 fingers. 2 after 3, 4, 5. 5 hundreds. Now adding thousands. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2, 3. Very good. 3 plus 3. Very good. 6. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in the mind. Take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. 6,559. This is going to 4-digit number. 3 lines without regrouping. Okay, Nana? We continue in the next class. Addition of numbers. 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, 4-digit numbers. And you have to learn tables from 2 to 10 tables. I sent chapter 1 notes through the WhatsApp group. You open WhatsApp and take one check rule new notebook and put headings and write neatly in your class workbook. My dear children, maintain good handwriting.